This video is going to walk you through how you can assign flight line source strip IDs to your data within GeoCue. The very first opportunity you have to assign source strip IDs is during the import LIDAR data step. And so during this time you would import your source strips and you can assign strip numbers at that point. You can increment them if you wish, and you can specify at which number you wish them to start at. You can also add a name prefix to the sources. After the source strips have completed the import into GeoCue, taking a look at the Properties LIDAR Source tab will tell you the strip number that is currently assigned to any given entity. In this instance, we can see that our values are going from 1 and then going upward from there. If after reviewing all of your strip numbers, you decide that that is not the flight line ID numbers that you wish to have assigned to them, before you continue on with the populate step or creating any kind of trajectories, you will first want to reassign strip numbers to those files. This can be done under the checklist for LIDAR Source, using the Utilities tab, and assign strip number from file. There are 3 different options on how this can be done. The Utility step can read flight logs that are created by either Optech or the Leica LIDAR collection systems. A simple ASCII format can also be used to assign strip numbers. In this example, we're going to create a custom ASCII file for a specific numbering scheme we wish to use. And that ASCII file is going to contain 2 columns, a line ID, which is the name of the corresponding entity, and then the line number, which is going to be used during the reassignment process. Here's an example of our custom ASCII file that we wish to use to renumber our strip numbers. In this instance, our line ID is the entity that we wish to renumber, and then our line number is the new strip number we're going to use. And so if we go back, we're going to add all our strips to our working set. We're going to go under Utilities, we're going to say Assign Strip Number. We're going to select our file. In this instance, this is simply called Renumber Strips. And we're going to tell the program, tell us if there are any unassigned strips that are in error. It's gone through and it's run. And so if we take a look at these, we should now see that our strip numbers have been renumbered. Another way to see this, if we open our Entity Manager and we do a simple query for strip number under LIDAR Source, we can see that our strip numbers have been reassigned based upon our ASCII file.